guys. Well, this is Kongaurd AI. Just a bit of a backstory. I am, well, you will hear that the accent is very South African, so I'm going to try to do my best here. What I'm presenting here is enterprise API security add-on for Kong Gateway. Backstory is that I'm not a developer at all, and I just recently started playing with development and building apps, and I saw this one come up and I thought, well, let's try it. So with the help of AI and generative AI and all that things, this is what I came up with. Looking at I've built a dashboard just to basically show some of the functionality in terms of launching attacks against the separate pathways. This one being the just normal unprotected Kong Gateway. This one using a cloud AI model. I'm going to use Gemini Flash 2.5 in this case, and this is just a local AI, which is going to be Ollama, Llama 3.2, I think, running on my device. So looking at what we can do here is, let's say we want to target the unprotected gateway, which is this one. The moment we click, it's going to start show us some metrics of what's happening, and as you can see here, all the text is just going through without being blocked. We can do the same here, and let's say we launch a flood attack. Well, let's make it 50 for now, and we just make it 20 seconds against the unprotected gateway. Okay, so now that OK will run, and you can see there what's basically happening with the attacks going through. So to cut a longer story short, we can do this now against the cloud AI. Same thing. So we launch the attacks. You'll notice the latency, I don't think that's being measured too accurately. I'm having a very good go now. But as you can see, 100% being blocked at the moment. And if we do the same, if I don't get rate limited, let's do sustained pressure. We just do cloud, and we do a 20-second. Okay, so now you'll see the latency dropping, and the detection rate as well, obviously giving the model some headaches. Okay, so that's going to, seems to be started. We can always check with a higher intensity, and then the same thing with let's say we do a local attack, launch, and that doesn't look too bad either. So yeah, this is the backstory of it and what it does, and I will show you what I've been working on. Obviously you've seen now what I've built is basically a audit sheet that you will see the expected result is at the left which will be our goal or target, and then the actual measured result. And then here's the previous run I did that basically measured it, and then it says this was the actual result. And at the end of the day, if I pass this to LLM to audit, it will come back with the results, if I can find that. Okay, there's some recent results there. Oh, this was the most recent one. And if I look on cursor, sorry for jumping around. There's my CI tests. Okay, so what I've done is there's a script now that basically does all of this by itself. So it will run the tags, measure, go back, try to fix or better, and then I just pass this back to the model and say, well, let's see what we can do here. And then after a few runs, I actually got some improvement from the first ones, 52 to 87.5. But I still have a roadmap in terms of where I want to go and what I want to do next to improve the